ADVANTRIO Packaging is based in China and is committed to better packaging. The water transfer printing workshop of the company covers an area of over 2,000 square meters, supported by over 30 workers. Water transfer printing is a printing method in which the color patterns that have been printed on paper base where special PVA are transferred to the glass or plastic surface through a solvent using water as a medium. The arbitrary color and pattern texture obtained on the surface of the product is completely different from the appearance of spray paint. Any colored pattern can be draped on any shape of the workpiece. We have a variety of wood grain and stone grain patterns which customers can choose. We can also have other patterns water transfer printed on products as per customers' requirements.